In this video, I am going to make hair conditioner with fresh aloe vera gel. This is very easy to make and everybody can do it. A typical hair conditioner is just a mixture of emulsified oil and water that is similar to a lotion. So if you can make a lotion, you can also make a hair conditioner, and it goes both ways. While you can use your hair conditioner as a lotion, you cannot use a lotion to condition your hair. It is easy to make hair conditioner because you only need 3 basic ingredients: fats, emulsifier, and water. But for many people, buying some of these ingredients is not easy because they're not available in grocery stores. The easiest way to have an aloe vera hair conditioner is to buy your favorite hair conditioner and just add fresh aloe vera gel to it. You can have a mixture of 1 part fresh aloe vera gel and then 2 parts hair conditioner. This also means 1 spoon of fresh aloe vera gel mixed into 2 spoons of hair conditioner. This will result to a thicker mixture. This is how thick the mixture of 1 part fresh aloe vera gel and 2 parts hair conditioner. If you want to do this, just make sure to use the filtered fresh aloe vera gel, as shown in my previous video on how to prepare fresh aloe vera gel for hair. If you want more fresh aloe vera gel in your hair conditioner, you can mix 1 part hair conditioner and 1 part fresh aloe vera gel. This also means 1 spoon of fresh aloe vera gel mixed into 1 spoon of hair conditioner. This will result to a thinner mixture compared to the previous one, but still it is manageable. Store-bought hair conditioner has a very stable preservatives, but because I added fresh aloe vera gel, the shelf life of the mixture is shortened. This mixture can last up to 1 week without refrigeration. So make sure to make just enough for 1 week.